The Supreme Court has addressed the eligibility of diploma in elementary education candidates from 2020-2022 batch in West Bengal whose course completion had been delayed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Because of the pandemic disruptions, these candidates could not complete their training by the usual deadline of 30th June 2022. Concerned about becoming overage for primary school teacher recruitment, many of them approached the Calcutta High Court asking either for the results to be declared quickly or for the recruitment process to be postponed to accommodate them. In the meantime, the West Bengal Board of Primary Education issued a recruitment notification on 29 September 2022. This notice explicitly stated that candidates currently pursuing the DEIED course for 2020-2022 session would be eligible to apply. A detailed recruitment advertisement was later published on 21st October 2022, which again confirmed that the 2020-2022 batch candidates could participate. Subsequently, these candidates received their course completion certificates on 29th November 2022. However, this recruitment process was challenged by candidates who had completed their DEIED degrees before this 29 September 2022. They argued that the 2020-2022 batch students were not qualified as of the date of the first notification and thus should not be allowed to compete. The division bench of the Calcutta High Court had agreed with this view and had held that 29 September 2022 should be treated as the cutoff date for eligibility. As a result, it set aside the earlier single judge's order that had permitted the 2020-2022 batch candidates to apply. While the Supreme Court did not agree with the High Court's view, the top court has clarified that when recruitment rules do not specify a cutoff date, the eligibility should be determined with reference to the recruitment advertisement. In this case, the advertisement was issued on 21st October 2022. The court relied on the precedent set by the Constitution bench in Tej Prakash Pathak versus Rajasthan High Court, which holds that if the rules are silent, the date mentioned in the recruitment notice or the last date of application should be treated as the deciding date. The Supreme Court also recognized that COVID-19 pandemic has created exceptional circumstances. It observed that the West Bengal Board of Primary Education and the single judge had acted correctly and fairly to ensure that students affected by the delays were not unjustly excluded from employment opportunities. In its ruling, the Supreme Court has set aside the division bench's decision and has directed the board to continue with the recruitment process as per 21st October 2022 notification. The court emphasized the need to proceed quickly with the recruitment, ensuring that the affected batch candidates are not left out.